Kajing jilai ki kam thok kam syukor hapot social media kelanang jor kat badang mi kisingi ha kababon ki briu ki lasat thok pisa lengba ki WhatsApp FB bat na po Instagram. Kumta ke NCC ha kisingi Friday menta katiyau kalayo ban Pyllong da ka awareness program halor kapang kumno ban yeda ha badan kum kini ki kep ha kajing im jongi kabaman kisingi. Ha kini kisingi UOC ke Jowai Police Station Jowai usar Sunday Manor bat u SDPO ke Amlaram Subdivision Wajain Hills Sar Pandey ki lalong kinongkren ba kongsan ha kini ke awareness program ke bala Pyllong ha school JNV Mukhla. Ha ba ai jingkren ha kini kisingi na kiliang kini ki officer jong ketenat pulit ki lekentu ya ki kena banlong ki bahusier haba ki pindan kam ya ke mobile phone lani ya ki internet. Ha kini la ailat ya ki kena school ban keli jingkeli halor kini kepang. Usar Sunday Manor haba betai bat jubab ya ki jingkeli ula penkin mau ba ki don shibun ki basyak thok leng ba ki social media. Shushu ula ong ba ke kamram jongi ban pentikina ya ke no ke kam bangi le kam tam habangi pindan kam ya ki internet Knang banlaj na ke jingshah basngausi ki bakta yangi ha kiliang barok.
You must understand that in cybercrime, their main objective is what? You tell me, what is the main objective of this fraudster? So I'll answer for you. Maybe later on we'll ask again. The main objective of these fraudster are to loot you or to steal your money. No, the main objective of this fraudster, all these fraudster, in whatever way they will come, we will not be able to explain you how this fraudster will come, because this fraudster will keep on changing the way of their phishing. Okay, kamu like we the car, no kapor pengkelapam gi. Because if you ask fishermen by what bait, no the bait, how what item, what bait you are taking for fishing, they will not tell you because they keep on changing. Sometimes they will take chana, sometimes they will take pindia, sometimes they will take atta. So this fraudster also, now we cannot tell you how they will come to you, how they will come to me. They will try to convince you, they will try to make you conversation. So as long as they converse, so they will try to convince you. So they will make the story, they will make the situation so that you will believe. Okay, if we are a student, they will talk as a student. If we are office goer or if we are the officer, they will talk as officer. Okay, so but at the end of the day, these fraudsters, their main objective is to take your money. Okay, we will be ready to help you if you call us. Okay, we have the number. Please note this number. Okay, if you have any queries, you can call 112. Okay, if you have any doubt, if you have any problem, if you have any cases, okay, now cases maybe with girls or with boys, we can't say to whom it may happen. But if you need police assistance, okay, so you don't know my number, you don't know Sir's number, but 112 is, you have to know, is all India number, okay. So wherever you are, you tell your friend, you tell your family, you tell your brother and sister that 112 is the helpline number for the police. So you can call any time of the day, any hours of the day, you will get this number. Okay, so you make a complaint there, or even if you have a cyber crime or cyber related issue, so you can verify from this number. Okay, and if you have been looted or if you have been cheated by this cyber crime or cyber fraud, so the next step, immediate step you need to take is call 1930. Okay, so call 1930 to report the cases which you have been cheated. Okay, if you have cheated, okay, if someone asks you, okay, deposit this money by mistake, because being human, sometimes we are not perfect. Even in spite of listening to this awareness program, maybe after an hour, after a day or two, you might be tempted to deposit money to the fraudster. So in case lada jia deposit pi poisa yo pi hapo kini internet lengba kini mobiles siapa call you we can daily not. We can daily not 1930 is the number to report for the cybercrime cases. Okay, le chat top fi ni ti dau em kam how ku mo bite kam da ong sar tu bon kini ki points ko ka war sir dem kam re go batai chi bon I don't need to explain more about the points what sir has said, but I will tell you, since you are having Facebook account or dem bon you have Facebook account, even if you don't have a phone, I know that you are using your parents mobile. Okay, so please do not accept friend requests from unknown people. If you even if you see that, oh, this is my friend, but please verify first. If you see in the Facebook that it's my profile photo, or if my photo, if I send you a friend request, please verify first. It is sir, it is the OC Joy, or is it SDP or NRM? Please check first, because many fake accounts are there in the Facebook. Okay, so please do not accept friend requests from unknown people. And it is good to have physical friend than these virtual friends. Okay, if you have friends here, we can talk, we can call. Okay, but virtual friends are very dangerous. I'm telling you that there are many friends from July itself. We won't go beyond July. Okay, we'll concentrate only in July. In July, one lady, she had lost 42 lakhs. Just imagine, 42 lakhs. And I don't want from you and your family members or your friends to be in the same faith. Okay, so please do not believe these friends, because these friends they will seem to be very genuine. Man, come keep was scared. Come on, Onki, because we are friends. So many months you have been friends. So please do invest in these plan. Okay, they will ask you to invest in some investment plan. What they did, they will ask you, okay, click this link. Once you click this link, then they will say, okay, you invest 500, you'll get 1,000. Who will give you that? No one will give you.